Card 41. For this problem, you need to know how to work with percentages. That's a very common question on the SSAT. There's going to be quite a few questions that deal with percentages. So definitely make sure that you have them covered. Let's get started. Jake has $350 in a bank account, and he takes out $105. So let's do that math right away before we even keep reading to see what he has left in his account. So he has $245 left in his bank account. What percent of the original amount is left in the account? Okay, so we're looking for what percent the 245 is of the 350, because we're looking for the percent of the original amount that is left, and 245 is left in the account. So whenever you're trying to turn something into a percentage, you want to make a fraction out of it and then set it equal to x over 100. And then solve for x. Okay, so the percent over here that we're looking for the percent of the original amount. So of goes on the bottom. The original amount is 350. And what's left in the account is 245. And again, if we set that equal to x over 100, then whatever we get when we solve for x will be that percent. So whenever you're solving for a percent, you set the fraction equal to x over 100. And now you just cross multiply and solve. So remember, cross multiply means you multiply the diagonals and then set them equal to each other. So let's do these ones first. 350 times x equals the other ones, 245 times 100. And now we're just going to solve for x. So, sorry, these are little multiplications. So let's reduce the right side. 245 times 100 will be 245, and then with 2 zeros, so 24,500. And then to solve for x, we're going to divide by 350. And first what I would do is take off one of the zeros. So x equals 2,450 over 35. And to solve, what we want to do is just create a long division problem. So 35 into 245 we should do, so you're going to have to guess and check a little bit, but let's try times 7. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 3 is 245. All right, so I did know we should do 7, but you should be guessing around 7, and then you will find that 35 times 7 is 245. And then bring down the 0. 35 into 0 is 0. So 2,450 divided by 35 equals 70. And so 70%, like I said, we're going to be solving for the percent. 70% is our answer.